Even the power of queen cannot checkmate to the king or by itself. Many times you find yourself with just a king and queen against the other king, and you need to know how to finish. Let's see how it's work. In this position, we can use just a checkmate idea to win the game in just one move. Notice that the white king and queen both meet on a g7 square right next to the black king. Then white plays to g7 with square, which is checking the black king, and white queen protected by its king. Then the game is a checkmate. Delivering the checkmate in the corner of the board is good, but how do we force the king on the corner in a set of a checkmate? Let's take a look in this position. White king is to d1 and queen h3. Black king is at the center square, which is a d5. In order to checkmate, the king must be forced to be the edge of the board. Notice that the black king move only of the central square on the next turn, which is e4, d4, or e5. So the king must move at the corner after king d6. White's next job to prevent the black to returning towards the center. Then white plays to queen e4. Notice the queen is a keep in out of the center is slowly pushing the black king at the corner. You are also see that white queen one knight move distance of the black king. Black plays king to c5, still trying towards the center. Then white plays to queen d3. After king c6, queen d4. The black kings moves up, white queen also up. The black kings moves diagonally, then white queen moves also diagonally. In this manner, the king moves up, queen moves up. The king moves diagonally, which is a7 square. The also king goes diagonally. Notice always a knight distance away. Now comes to important part of this position. After king a8, should the white queen continue to b6? If a queen b6 is played, then the black king does not have any legal square. Black king does not move anywhere. Do you remember this position? It's a stalemate. If you don't remember stalemate, then click on I button to go back my playlist and watch this. Let's go back to our game. So be sure to avoid this move. In this position, once if a king into the corner, then the black king have only two square to move. Then white plays to c2. Then the king against plays to c7, king to c3, king a8, king c4. Now, in this position, can you find the best move for checkmate? King to b7 is a checkmate. Now it's your time to practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for some interesting chess tricks and puzzles. Thanks for watching.